watch this. So let's go ahead and turn this off. We wanted to make sure that this shower filter was really easy, as simple as it can be to install. My daughters can do it. I have 4 daughters, and I finally just got my boy. Hey guys, I know that you know what chlorine is, but don't get it twisted. Chlorine is one of the most dangerous things that we have in the water, not only because it creates all the problems that it has all by itself, but it creates byproducts in the water. Byproducts are things that are mixing in with chlorine, and it basically just soups it up and enhances the water into something totally new, basically creating a whole nother monster, which is what chromium-6 is, if you have ever heard of that. So let's go ahead and squeeze this all the way back on. But what I was trying to say is, if anybody's trying to lose any type of, body weight, if you're trying to just get in better shape, it's going to be a lot more difficult if you're intaking all these toxins into the body, and then your body has to fight that. You can do all the crunches in the world, you can do all the exercises. That's going to get off the top layer of fat, sure. But when it comes to the visceral fat, the deep fat, the fat that your body's actually producing to protect you, you're not going to be able to do that.